Yes, that is three-letter words. In previous video, we did A sound words and E sound words, three letters. Okay. Now, in today's session, we will start new three-letter words of I sound words. Okay. A and E is completed. Now, after A and E, we will start I sound words. Okay. Before that, let's we do a quick revision of A and E sound words. Okay. In previous video, I taught you 6 A sound words, 6 three-letter words of A sound and 3-letter words of E sound. Okay. So let's we do revision of that. Okay. See here. First is K and T. Cat. Okay. Then second one is M and T. Mat. Okay. Now third one is H and T. Hat. Okay. Now here K and N. Can. F and N. Fan. Then V and N. Van. Okay. These 6 are 3-letter words of A sound. That is K at a cat, M at a mat, H at a hat, K and a can, F and a fan, V and a van. Now E. E sound words. Okay. That is first is H and N hand. Then P and N pen. Then third one is T and N ten. Then P and T pet. J and T jet. And N and T net. Okay. Now of E sound words. 3-letter words of E sound words, that is H and N hand, P and N pen, T and N ten, P and pet, J and jet, and N and net. These 12 are 3-letter words of A and E sound. Now in today's session we have to start I sound words. Okay. So first of all, see here, which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a pin. Now what is the spelling of pin? P I N pin. Okay. In phonics, P I N pin. Okay. Now second one, this is a picture of a fish. Very good. And what is this? This is fin. So what is the spelling of fin? Where is fin? This one is fin. So what is the spelling of fin? F I N. In phonics, F I N fin. Okay. Now third one. Yes. This is a dustbin. Now what is the spelling of bin? B-I-N, bin. In phonics, B-I-N, bin. In phonics, B-I-N, bin. Okay. First of all, see here. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. Then B-I-N, bin. Okay. Now, see here how to write these 3-letter words of I sound in notebook. So see here, we will start from this pin. Pin. Okay. Now here, first of all, you have to start from blue line. First you have to write P. Okay. So you have to make circle in this blue line. You have to start from blue line to red line. Then you have to make I in this to blue line only. Put one dot and then you have to write N. Okay, what is this? This is called pa-in pin. Pa-in pin. Again, we have to start P from this blue line to red line. You have to make one standing line like this, and then you have to make one circle in this two blue line only. Okay, then you have to make one standing line in this two blue line only, and then you have to put one dot over here. Then you have to write and standing curve and then standing. This is called pa-in pin. And where is pin? This one? No, this is pin. Okay. Now again, first you have to make one standing line, blue line to red line like this, and then you have to make one circle, curve. Then you have to put one dot here, and then you have to write one and. Okay, like this. This is called pa-in pin. Again, pa-in. Okay, you have to write this three-letter words in small letter only. Okay, now after pin we have to write fin. Okay, so as you have to start from this blue line to this red line to this blue line. Okay, first what you have to make? You have to make one curve like this, and then you have to make one standing line like this. Okay, then you have to make one slipping line. This is called F in phonics. Okay, and then you have to make I. Then you have to make N. This is called fin. Fin. Okay. Again, you have to make one curve, then standing line, and then slipping line like this. Then you have to make one standing line, and then you have to put one dot, and then you have to make N. This is called fin. Fin. Okay, again you have to write fa, then e, then na. Okay, then you have to write na. Fa-in fin. Where is fin? This one? No, this one is fin. So where is fin? Yes, this one. This one is fin. Fa-in fin. You have to make first F, then E, then N. Okay? Pin and fin done. Now bin. Okay? Ba-in bin. So first you have to write B. How to make B? First you make one standing line like this, and then you have to make curve in these two blue line. Okay, B, then E, then N. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N. Okay, B-I-N, bin. Again, start from red line to blue line, and then you have to make one curve like this, and then make one standing line and put dot, then you have to make N. B-in bin. Where is bin? This one? No, this one is fin. So where is bin? Yes, here. This is called bin. So you have to write B-I-N bin. Okay? Again, last. You have to make one standing line, then you have to make curve in this two blue line, then you have to make I, small I, and then N. Okay? This is called ba in bin. Which three letter words I taught you today? That is pin, fin, bin. Pa, I, na, pin. Fa, I, na. Fa, I, na, fin. Then ba, I, na, bin. Ba, I, na, bin. Okay? Fa, I, na, fin. Ba, I, na, bin. And ba, I, na, pin. Fin, pin, bin. Okay? I hope you understand this 3-letter words of I sound words. So you have to do practice of this at your home. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Bye. Have a nice